Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We take you behind the scenes and show you what we're working on today in Latrobe. We will start here in the ceramic bay. Zach is currently polishing a CT5V Blackwing. We did PPF on the front end and rockers. It's getting polished and coated today. Should be ready to go home tomorrow. What a great car. Is it a manual? Not a manual. Still cool. I think they make those in a stick though. The PPF guys are working on a Ram 1500 doing a partial hood. Such a great squeegeer. Look at them go. On the lift, we have a Tesla new Model Y that belongs to our great friend, Dr. M3. This one's getting a full PPF wrap, window tint, windshield protection film, and a ceramic coating. Everything is done except for the ceramic. This thing will be wrapped up this week and ready to go home next week. Beside that is the Turbo S that you guys have seen for a couple of weeks. It got a color change wrap from GT Silver to a KPMF color. Looks very similar to Porsche Shark Blue. The reason it's still here, the front bumper needed some paint work. It is done. We need to get it back on the car and then get some PPF on the film. That's gonna happen hopefully today, tomorrow. In front of that is the C8 that's part of Shop with a Cop giveaway. If you guys want in on this, apparently we can't sell tickets on the internet due to gambling laws. We're not the ones hosting this, but Shop with a Cop is. So if you would like a ticket for this, they are $100 and you can come into the store and physically exchange money with us, and we can give you that. In the wash bay, we have Mercedes-Benz GLA here for an annual inspection. You can see the water is still beating up very well after we've gotten it cleaned up. Outside, we have a Bullet Mustang. This car was here a few weeks ago for ceramic coating, and it developed water spots on some of the horizontal surfaces afterwards. I don't know if something got on it before the coating was fully cured or if it's just a freak thing, but we always stand behind our work, and that includes this. So we're repolishing and recoating those areas. And then beside that, we have a Porsche Cayenne. This one's here for a paint correction. It got polished yesterday. It needs its final cleanup, removing micro scratches, swirl marks. Beside that is a Stingray Corvette. This one here got window tint this morning. I think this is the one that's on for a track pack PPF as well. So that means full front end and rocker panels. This GMC Denali came in, I believe after a body shop incident, we had to redo a fender and some rocker panel pieces with PPF and ceramic. Behind the Denali is a really giant trailer. This is a stacker. This belongs to the Lutz family. We want to thank Lutz Race Cars for trusting us with their stuff many, many times over the years. If you saw the situation, they got hit in Idaho, I think it was, head on with their normal rig. And so it burned to the ground and their trailer got burned and really messed up. Thankfully, the family was okay. It made national news because of street outlaws. Anyhow, their stacker they had was not really set up for racing, so they're getting this done really quickly. We are here wrapping it. Sakela's here. Some exciting news with Sakela is going to be coming soon as well, but for right now, she's here wrapping this trailer. They're just wrapping it white, just making it look like a fresh, updated paint job. Over here, my GT4's here. Took this car to the Tail of the Dragon last weekend. It's filthy. It needs cleaned up. We took that and the GT3 RS with some friends. Had a really great time on a great road. Over here is a Toyota, I think this is the Grand Highlander. It's next up for ceramic coating. It'll be getting prepped this morning. Beside that, this one is prepped and ready to go. Film cut, a Ford Ranger, I think. It's getting a full PPF wrap and a ceramic coating. This is for a great customer that understands the value of the stuff that we have, and so when he gets a new car, he always gets it protected. Let's see what's happening in the other two shops for now.
What's going on, guys? It's Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a couple completed jobs here. First up is this Ferrari Roma Spider. It's got a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap. On the other side of the showroom here, we have a brand new Tesla Model Y. This is in for a full front clip and paint protection film. Next up for paint protection film is a damaged vehicle. This is from Schultz Ford. In the accident, they had to get the fender replaced, and it is back in the shop today to get a partial fender reapplied. Next in line for a full paint protection film wrap is this Tesla Model X. It's getting a full body 8 mil paint protection film wrap, an 8-year ceramic coating, interior coating, and 20% on the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. Here we have a 2023 Audi RS6. This was one of our first full wraps when we first opened up this shop, and it was involved in an accident, unfortunately, so it's back in the shop to get PPF reapplied on the rear bumper and the rear quarter panel. And we also did a coating this time. We coated the entire vehicle, including the wheels and calipers. Next up, we got Mark doing his thing on this Porsche 911 from our friends at Audi Porsche Swickley. It's got a full front paint protection film, and he's currently doing a 4-year coating on the entire body. In the tint bay, we got a Ford F-150. This one is in for the works as well. It's getting a track package plus, so track package plus the rear fender flares and the back bumper. We are tinting the entire vehicle in 5% and then doing the inside and outside 8-year ceramic coating. In the back, we got Jason doing some prep work on this Model 3. This was a coating from about a year ago. This too was involved in an accident, so it's back in the shop now to get the entire front of the vehicle, bumper, hood, fenders, and one mirror polished and recoated. Up on the lift, another 911 from Audi Porsche Swickley. This is getting a full front clip as well. Once these guys wrap up the PPF, it's heading over to the Marks area to get a 4-year coating.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
In the tint bay, we have a Cybertruck that's in for full windshield, sunroof, and all the windows in our ceramic plus film. Here you can see the windshield is already shrunk and getting ready for installation. Sunroof and all the other windows are already installed. This G-Wagon was previously in for a full track pack, window tint, and ceramic coating, including windshield protection. Windshield protection had some kind of weird distortion bubble on it, so we replaced it and put a new one on as we stand behind all of our products.
Thank you guys very much for tuning in. Make sure you check out the rest of our channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next week.